Morning all. We've got a delica in for a few rust repairs. There's this nasty piece on the door. I've carefully tapped the worst with the hammer. See these Facebook videos where they're like smacking all the rust out and distorting the shape of the door. You don't need to do that. Just knock off the rust so you can put a like an abrasive wheel on there. It doesn't extend to the inside. The lip that was originally wrapped over is rotted away, so we're going to have to cut that and clean up the inside. But yeah, the inner skin looks quite solid. See the sealer there. Look. But yeah, just going to start with the strip and clean wheel and get some clean metal. Right, it's the first pass with the strip and clean wheel. You don't need to concentrate too much on the piece that you're going to be cutting out because it's pointless. So again, that's something else I see. I see people getting a really coarse grinding disc, grinding at rust that you're going to inevitably cut off. You want to keep this metal, the good metal, as thick as possible. You don't want to thin that or weaken that too much. So yeah, that's it, clean back. We'll then cut that section out and we'll do a bit more cleaning up a bit further down the line. Right, I've marked here and here where the lip has rusted. I've gone past where the inner lip's rusted, so we'll cut this outer piece off and then we'll work our way round to the inside. At this stage you want to be careful here because you don't want to go too far into the inner skin, so I've just carefully ground away at that. Right, this is the return edge now. You can see that it's blown out. But obviously that return, I need to put a cut in there. So I'm just going to carefully do that with a belt sander. All you're doing is really just thinning the metal. There you go. Do the same this side. Okay. Already you can see that the inner part has rusted through. That's a drain hole, but you've got one hole there, piece missing there. The other thing to bear in mind is the rust, when the paint was on it, looked like a bubble that small, sort of, 2 or 3 inches long. Look how much of a section we've had to remove. That's the rust on the back. And then to be able to clean up the inner bit correctly. So yeah, even just a little patch grows quite quickly to do a proper job of it.